Hi everybody, how are you doing? We are talking today about simple present. I hope you'll find it simple though. We'll start with keywords. بداية حابة أحكي إنه باللغة الإنجليزية كل زمن له كلمات. هاي الكلمات إذا شفناها بالجملة بنعرف إنه بيحكي عن زمن معين. هذا الزمن اللي إحنا بنحكي عنه اليوم اللي هو simple present في له مجموعة كلمات بتدل عليه اللي هي الكي words اللي هم usually, always, sometimes, often, every, with anything, every day, every week, every month, every year, every hour, every night, every with anything. وكمان الفاكتس، الحقائق. facts يعني لما بدي أحكي إشي عام، حقيقة والكل بيعرفه. هذا الشيء دايماً بنعبر عنه بالزمن المضارع البسيط. We know when we should use this tense. Now, we should know what the structure is, the form. In every tense in English, we have positive, negative, and question forms. We will start with positive form. In positive form, we start with subject, the verb, and the object or the complement of the sentence. The verb actually is verb 1. We add s if the pronoun or the subject is she or he or it or a singular. We also add es if the verb finishes with o, x, did, ch, sh, and double s, such as watch becomes watches, wash, washes, do, does. Other verbs we add the s simply, such as play, plays, work, works, and so on. And the other pronouns such as they, we, you, I, and the plural nouns, we use simply verb 1 as infinitive, such as play, stays, play. We don't add anything to it. For example, she works every day. She works every day. They usually go to school by bus. They usually go to school by bus. Other examples about facts. Let's say, the oil floats on the water. The oil floats on the water. الزيت يطفو فوق الماء. هي حقيقة والكل بيعرفها. Another example. Let's say the sun rises in the morning. في حدا ما بيعرف إنه الشمس بتشرق الصبح؟ In the negative form we must use not. And what we should know about not, that not doesn't stay alone in the sentence. We must use with it helping or auxiliary verb, such as do and does, which we use them in the simple present. So, we use at first the subject, then doesn't or don't. After them, the verb should be base, infinitive, without s, without anything. For example, we say, she doesn't work at weekends. We use does because she takes s, takes does. She does not or doesn't work at weekends. But we use don't with the other pronouns that don't take s with the verb, such as they. We say they don't work every day. They don't work every day. Finally, we'll talk about the question form. The question begins with an auxiliary verb such as do and does. After that it depends on the pronoun when we use does and do. After that, we put the subject, and after the subject, we put the verb in infinitive form and the question mark. For example, do you usually go to school by bus? We can answer it with yes, I do, or No, I don't. Another example, does the oil float on the water? Float, not floats, because does has took the yes. That's it. I hope you found it simple. Any question? If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. And try to write 2 or 3 sentences in the comments in the present simple tense. Thank you. Bye.